So today we're looking at flowcharts. So flowcharts are a way of describing a process or a program which can be simple and terminating, or it can be repeating. So an example of a flowchart we've got shown here, it starts with this rounded rectangle. You may also see with completely round sides, so two semicircles connecting up our rectangle. That is a terminal block. It is the start or the end of a program. So we start here with a problem. Lamp does not work. So first thing we go, follow our arrow, we reach a decision block. So a diamond, is a lamp plugged in. Now we have two options. We can go no, or we can go yes. So no, plug in lamp. And that is another terminal block. So that's the end of our program, end of our process. We can then follow this down. Okay, if the lamp was plugged in, so yes, the bulb burnt out. Yes, replace the bulb, or no, repair the lamp. So our flowchart here is describing a process. We use flowcharts all the time in most technical fields. So engineering uses flowcharts a lot, as does computing and technologies. So for programming, we often start with a flowchart of how our program will operate. Flowcharts can even be used in science. Okay. They are occasionally. So we're just going to have a bit more of a formal look at what those different blocks mean. So here we've got our blocks. Okay, so we start with a terminal block. So this here is a terminal block. That's rounded rectangle. And it shows the start or the end. Let's spell process right. Of the process. So it will sometimes just say end and start. Or it may be describing our current situation, like lamp doesn't work, or give us a final action. Now, this block, a regular rectangle, isn't actually in our example flowchart. It's a process block. So it's telling us to do something. We could break this flowchart down to include process blocks. So, for example, we could have lamp doesn't work. There's a rounded, that's dodgy. There's a rounded rectangle. Lamp no work. This can then go to a process block, which can be check, plug. If we're drawing these by hand, it's often easier to write the words first than draw the box around it. It'll fit a lot better. And then we could go to our next block, which is our decision block. Lamp plugged in. So you can see here, our process block is telling us to do something. So our diamond we said was decision. And it often branches off in different choices. Our last one here is our arrows. Our arrows link this together and show the flow of our process. That's flowcharts. So we have different blocks for different things. They link together with arrows. Rounded rectangles are the start or the end. Diamonds are decisions. Normal rectangle is a process telling us to do something. And again, linked up to a terminal block at the end.